Hello, fourth grade. This is your PowerPoint for Friday, May 1st. Happy 1st of May, by the way, since it is the beginning of a new month today. Sorry I can't be with you today. Hopefully you got a chance to look at the mass. If you didn't, again, Mrs. Thomas did send an email that has the link to it, so you could go back and watch it. All right, assignments for today. We'll start off with religion. For religion, make sure you finish reading pages 2 and 3 with how the butterfly lady helped the monarchs. So just make sure you finish that up for today. For spelling, you have your spelling test today, and it is a Kahoot, and the pin number is right there. Again, I will also send that as a dojo to your parents just to make sure that everybody has the PIN number because I know sometimes that's hard to find. The Kahoot is called Spelling Unit 28. So if something else comes up, get out of that one and then try this one again. It should be Spelling Unit 28. And this is the link. So if the pin doesn't work, you can copy and paste this as a link and it should get you there as well. Couple of reminders with Kahoot. Remember, be careful. Watch the spelling real carefully because some of those just have double L's or not double letters. Just be careful with it. Don't worry about speed. You've got plenty of time. Remember, you're not doing for speed, you're doing for accuracy. And read all the answers, of course. Remember, please, you have until Saturday, May 9th in the evening. I think I set it for like 11 o'clock to take the test, but please don't wait. Best thing to do is just go in and do it today. Please make sure you put your name in there. It's okay if you put a nickname and then your name in parentheses, but I do need your actual name there. Nobody sees it but me, so just give me your name so I can make sure I get your score. For reading, you're going to go to our YouTube channel. Remember, go onto YouTube and search for Mrs. Swinehart, and then my channel should come up. There's a lesson there titled Using Context, and it's lesson 1. And please do page 11 in lesson 21. So this is The World According to Humphrey, the packet we've been looking at for the last couple of days this week, and it's page 11. It should be the cover page. For math, it is a review Moby Max lesson. So do go to Moby Max and sign on. Remember, sign in as a student. You have to search for your school, Resurrection Academy, and put in find, and it should come up that you can click on it. It says California, Fontana, Resurrection Academy. That'll take you to the username and password screen. If you need your username or your password, please dojo me, and then go to math. You can also do some fact fluency as well today. Once you've gone to math, there should be an assigned lesson that pops up and it'll say improper fractions, convert an improper fraction to a mixed number with one unknown. And it says what you are learning today. So go ahead and do that lesson. And again, you can always also work on fact fluency. For language arts, it is an adverb review, more about adverbs, telling how, where, or when, and that is reteaching page 80. For science, make sure you finished up your bones and your muscles that we worked on today. So you've got your bones and your muscles, you've got your right leg and your left leg done. Make sure you finish your robot finger. I'm getting some good pictures of robot fingers. I appreciate that. And then if you've done both of those things, you're going to read today, where does the food go? Okay, so finish the bones and the muscle things because Monday we're going to be moving on to digestion, and that's a whole nother set of things. So do make sure you finish up the bone stuff before we move on to digestion. Lastly, then, for social studies, this is week 18 with early settlers. That's what it looks like on the front. So you're reading about Sacramento and why wasn't Jedediah Smith welcome in California while other settlers were. The other small article you have to read is the Donner Memorial State Park with that California's regions. And then that should finish up this magazine for us this week, ladies and gentlemen, so you can finish up the crossword on the back. If you have questions, make sure you come with them on Monday because I am going to be taking questions and help for the social studies puzzle on Monday. Right? Make sure also Spanish Unit 2 should be finished. Make sure you're finishing up your mission project. And then you should have listened to Willy Wonka up to chapter 6. So 5 and 6 were posted today. So you should have listened to them up through chapter 6. Okay? All right. If you need to go back and pause me and watch it again, that's just fine. Do that. Dojo me with questions, and I will see you Monday. Bye.